I've always been curious about the different currencies that are out there, the digital currencies. It's one of those things I've always been watching from afar. I didn't really know enough about it to make an educated decision. So I really was looking for a way to get educated so I could make a decision. And the time came when I had the funds to be able to get started, and you were there. Biggest concerns were trust factor and transparency. I know that there's a lot of privacy that can come with owning and having Bitcoin, but I wanted to be able to do business with somebody that was tangible and showed that transparency. The information, just even links to videos that kind of helped me develop my learning. And that was important. It was not just a, hey, I got your money and here's your thing and we'll talk later. There was a next step always, which was great. It's been easier than I thought. Yeah, I thought this would be a lot harder. I've heard of people losing money. I've heard of all sorts of, mishaps, losing passwords. It just felt good that we were constantly moving forward, and it was enjoyable. Yeah, I like it. I mean, just even setting up the Bitkey and having an automatic transfer, and then really starting to use it once I gather enough Bitcoin, I think is going to be really fun. It's a new challenge, and I'm hoping that my generation jumps on board, because this is pretty cool stuff. Even the soft touches of the emails coming out from Abundant Lines, it's really good information. The constant touch of like, hey, do you have any questions? You've always been there to answer those questions, and you've been quick to reply, which has been important. You really believe in this. And that rubbed off on me. It's given me something fun to talk about at outings. And I've already been doing that, and people are like, what? You're mining Bitcoin? What, you have a computer under your desk? How much does that cost you a month in power? And people just can't believe that there's this availability to work with a company that helps you do that and has that transparency. So a lot of people are in disbelief, and it's kind of fun to talk about it. Not just an investment opportunity, it's a way of thinking. I would say the entrance fee's pretty small. It's like starting a small business. And I guess I think about it more like a business rather than an investment. You're the guys doing the work, and I get the reward. If we had more education for like my generation to really sit down and talk to somebody and see how it works and see it in action. Not only that, but understand that it is a way to have transactional business with people. I think that's important. All we had when we were kids were paper money. We didn't have credit cards. There was not a lot of stuff like that. And so to switch that button off and just use cards, and now we're just using currency that will probably never be printed, is kind of fun.